Hi, it's me. I came home to this sad little note, and as a mother, I had to take a look. Poor tiny Donald has had his little threads here come loose, and my son was so upset. So I busted out our emergency kit and I went working. I love this little thing. It has all the tools I need to stitch up my stuffed animals or my kids' stuffed animals. And I love to use thread that doesn't match so I could show their scars. This little tool right here, which most of us don't know how to use, is actually to help us thread on the thread, so you don't have to struggle with your eyes to get into the hole. And my eyes aren't as great as they used to be, so look at that. It was so easy. So now I'm going to tie this knot and I'm going to stitch up Tiny Donald so that my child will be happy tomorrow morning when he wakes up. But first, I've got to remove the old thread so they're not in the way. So let's get stitching. I am not a sewer. I don't sew very well, and this is the extent of my sewing. I've tried it in the past, and I'm just not good at it. So this is what I do. I do emergency repairs on my kids' stuffed animals, and maybe I'll hem the occasional pair of pants or two. But this is good enough for me because now we have Tiny Donald's scars hidden under his hat, and he is ready to go. Hello, Tiny Donald. I think your hat's good now. What do you think? Thank you. Bye.